The June of 2025 release brought many new capabilities within the Business Analyst tool. One of my favorite is improvements to the Business Analyst Assistant. Here, we'll have to spend less time about where to click and how to do things within the Business Analyst tool, and now use real language to create searches. For example, what if I want to create a report for Miami, Florida, summarizing employment? I can simply select Generate, and now the system will automatically create the area of interest for Miami and choose to run a community summary report, which includes employment information. Another example of how you might use this tool is to go in and create a nationwide map showing population growth by county. Here, we'll see the projections for 2025, population change over the course of time, and we'll have the option to choose the study area that we want to look at. Here, I'm going to click Create Map, and if I simply zoom out, I can quickly turn this into a nationwide map that I can view by state or even by county. Or congressional district. All toggling between the different geographical options that I have. Once I'm viewing all of these counties, I have the option to filter them. So for example, if I wanted to see where the population is projected to grow at over 1%, I can quickly see a list of the 313 counties that meet that criteria, and even export it to Excel.